Hello everyone, and so today I'm gonna show you around BTS Skytrain again. This is 5 cafes around it. The first one is around BTS Chongnonsri. This cafe is famous for honey because it's imported from Kumamoto, Japan. And as you can see, the decoration of the cafe is quite homey, and so it's comfortable to sit and then enjoy yourself here. The next one is still around BTS Chongnonsri. This one is called Kirk, maybe I'm not sure. And the cafe is very close to the Skytrain. And so sometimes when I wait for my friend, I wait here. I like this cafe because it has the good view. You can see there are a lot of trees in this road. This road is connected to Silom and Sathorn, and so when I sit in this cafe, I can just watch the tree and the greenery outside. And let's continue to BTS Victory Monument. This one is around 400 meters from the Skytrain, and it has 2 floors, so there are a lot of space, but sometimes there are many people here. But anyway, it's good for the people who has laptop or who wants to sit and use Wi-Fi, because you can use it around 3 hours as far as I can remember. And so let's check out the second floor. And here is Payathai. This cafe is called Factory Coffee. It's next to both BTS Payathai and Airport Railing Payathai. And as you can see, on the left hand side is BTS Skytrain, so you can walk through the Trans Hotel through that line. This cafe is always crowded because the barista has the World Championship and the coffee is always premium. But I order iced chocolate, and anyway, it's still good. You can see they are packed with quality. And the last one of this clip is around BTS Assault. It's called 28 milliliter. This is the cafe from the hotel, so the quality is quite good and the staff are very nice and friendly. And as you can see, the size of the cafe is very small, but the decoration, the color is so nice. So if you want to sit in, it's okay. They still have a small table and seats to sit. Thank you for watching. If you like, please like and subscribe.